right, this is second grade math lesson 10-7, repeated reasoning. So we're going to take a look at how different groups are similar and look for patterns. So solve the problems in group 1, then solve the problems in group 2. Tell how the problems in group 1 are alike, tell how the problems in group 2 are alike. So let's go ahead and solve this one. 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 786. And let's see, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So we get 37, 786. Okay, let's take a look at these over here. 7 plus 4 is 11. We have to regroup. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 more is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So I notice already this one we didn't have to regroup. This one we have to regroup. So let's see. 8 plus 7 is 15. Regroup. 5. So this one is we have to regroup. And these, no regrouping. We did not need to regroup those. All right, so those are how they are alike. Neither one of those had to be regrouped. Both of those had to be regrouped. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our comic strip on the next page. All right. When you use this way to add, you need to use repeated reasoning. How can I use repeated reasoning? I can use what I know, look for things that repeat, and check my work as I add each place. Add each place from right to left. Decide if you need to regroup to make a 10 or 100. Okay, do you understand? Show me. What is 5 plus 9? So, 5 plus 9 I know is 14. How is it shown in the problem? 235 plus 489. 5 plus 9 is 14, but I have to regroup it. So here it's shown next to each other. Here it's broken apart and regrouped. 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 1 more is 12, and I have to regroup that again. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 1 more is 7, so we get 724. So we're going to use repeated reasoning to solve each problem. Circle any problem where you regrouped to make a 10 or 100. So number 1, 7 plus 9 is 16. I had to regroup. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 more is 8, and 1 plus 2 is 3. I had to regroup, so I need to circle that one. Let's look at number 2. Again, we're going to do these all on our own and then come back and check them. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5. I did not need to regroup it, so I'm not going to circle it. Number 3, 4 plus 5 is 9, 4 plus 6 is 10. Oops, I had to regroup. 7 plus 1 more is 8, so I'm going to circle that one. Number 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 2 is also 8. Did I have to regroup? Nope. Let's see, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6. Did I have to regroup? Nope. All right, let's take a look at our last one. 8 plus 2 is 10. Oh, I have to regroup. And let's see, look at this. 9 plus 1 more is 10. I had to regroup twice. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. So those are the 3 that we needed to regroup. All right, let's go into our independent practice page. We get to be a little creative with this and come up with some of our own math problems. All right, write a problem where you need to regroup to make a 10 or 100. Each added must be 3 digits. Solve your problem, then explain why you need to regroup. Well, if we need to regroup, we know some of our numbers that we have to add have to be higher than 9. So let's see, I'm going to start here. I'm not sure what my number is going to be, but I want to make sure it's higher than 9. So I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. And then I'll just make this some other random numbers, okay? And I know that I need to regroup because this one is higher. Okay, 6 plus 6 is 12. I regrouped. 5 plus 1 more is 6. 962. Then why did I need to regroup? I regrouped because the sum was greater than 9. Okay, we can't have 2 digits there. We can only have 1. Okay, now for number 8, write a problem where you do not need to regroup. So let's see. And it's got to be 3 digits also. So I have to make sure that none of the numbers that I add together are higher than 9. So let's see, 4 plus 4 I know is 8, 3 plus 3, and 2 plus 2. I'll just do some doubles facts because that's easy. 4 plus 4 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 4. Then explain why I don't need to regroup. All of my digits, all of my add-ins, I'm going to do that, add-ins are less than 10 when added together. Okay? All right, let's go back to our back page. This is our performance assessment practice. All right, let's go and take a look at this. Performance assessment, tickets sold. The table shows how many tickets were sold at a theater, okay? How many tickets were sold on Thursday and Saturday? So I need to know Thursday and Saturday. Gives us Friday, but we don't need that information right now. Okay, which numbers and operations can you use to solve the problem? Well, I know 198, and I'm going to be adding to get the total, and 367. So now we're going to write that equation that we need to solve. So 198 plus 367 equals something. Now number 11 says, use what you know about adding 3-digit numbers to solve the problem and explain what you did. So I'm going to do that right here. 198 plus 367. And right off the bat, I can tell I'm going to have to regroup a couple of these. 8 plus 7 is 15, regroup. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 6 is 16, regroup again. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5, 565. Now explain what I did. I regrouped my ones and tens. All right, great job, everybody.